Posible ba maging VA kung mayroon ka lang is tablet at keyboard? No. Yes, quick answer, no. But please take note, pwede ka na magsimulang mag-aral. So, pwede mo nang pag-aralan yung mga skill set. Magkakaroon ka ng limitations, definitely. However, pagka nakita mo na kung ano yung potential ng freelancing, working from home, virtual assistant, sobrang scalable ng business. Sa simula, iisipin mo work siya. But if you get the hang of it at nakita mo na okay, so from being a virtual assistant, I can be an operations manager, and then I can be an agency owner. I can venture into different businesses na I can do from home. Obviously, you would still need to buy a laptop. At saka, I don't really think na meron mga client na tumatanggap ngayon ng naka-tablet lang. Most clients would even post yung requirements nila when it comes to the system. Kasi itong mga kliyenteng to, may ginagamit sila mga tools, mga app. And itong mga tools and apps and systems na to, meron itong mga system requirements. So, ulitin ko lang, no, hindi ka pwede maging virtual assistant kung ang gamit mo ay tablet at saka may keyboard. Pwede ka magsimula mag-aral, pag-aralan mo na kung ano yung skill set na i-offer mo, administrative, creative, tech support, or sales. Pwede ka na rin mag-create ng resume mo, cover letter, and if yung position or role na i-offer mo would require a portfolio, go for it. Mag-practice ka na rin ng Google Workspace. But again, magiging limited lang. So, ang pinakamagandang atake niyan, kung yan pa lang talaga meron ka, pag-aralan mo na yung freelancing ngayon, magsimula ka na mag-apply para lang magkaroon ka ng hang of it na paano sumagot sa interview, ng mga typical na interview question. But you'd have to be ready kapag meron ka ng client na super warm lead na siya, or what if, di ba, bigla mong maklose. Kailangan ready kang bumili ng computer. Again, guys, freelancing is a business, and system, computers, apps, yan yung mga investment na kailangan meron na kagad tayo pagka maghanap tayo ng client. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!